How to turn off text chat on Roblox. So to start, we'll have to open our Roblox account, and then once we're here on our account, we'll have to go on the left part of the screen and then tap on the More option. After that, you will be given different options. In here, tap on the Settings option. After that, under Settings, we'll have to tap on this Privacy and Content Restrictions. In here, you will see this Communication option, tap on this one, and then under Communication, tap on this Experience Chat. After that, in here, you will be given two options. Make sure that you change the settings under Experience Chat to No One. Once you're done with that, go on this Direct Chat. We'll also have to change the settings here from Everyone to No One. Once you have changed the settings here, it will automatically turn off the text chat in Roblox. So that's how easy we can turn off text chat on Roblox. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.